Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Blackbeard camp near Shipwreck, all 6 chase locations in Windrose. So first of all, if you go into the first base or the starting base, you're gonna see the chase in this tent. So this is the location of the first chase. For the second chase, you need to just go a bit forward and you're gonna see the second chase just again inside the tent. Again, for the third chase, you need to get into the tent, and this is the location of the third chase. Okay, now for the fourth one, you again need to get into the tent. Here is the fourth chase location. Now for the fifth chase or sixth chase, we need to get into the boat. Okay, and once you're here, you need to fight, and once you fight, just get into the room of the ship, and here you're gonna see the location of the fifth one. Okay, and the sixth one will be on the same room. And yep, that's all there is to it. These are 6 chase locations inside Blackbeard camp near Shipwreck in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.